Okay, I'm going to try and explain this ramp. It's 20 inches by 24. 20 inches and 24. I notched it on the ends here at 1 inch deep. Put a nail in there like this. Okay. The ramp sits down on top of it and it catches on that nail so it doesn't kick. To get it to the correct height after cutting the 2x4s on the angle, I had to add a 1 inch piece of wood on the bottom. I thought I used OSB. I come out and double checked. It's just a 4 inch by 1 inch piece. It was scrap had laying around, but it worked great. It gives you that extra so you can push it up. That short metal ramp is hard. I've got 2 torn rotator cuffs that still aren't healed, and that happened 3 years ago. So I'm limited on pushing or pulling. But over here is the diagram for notching out the board. Starting at the ramp end, measuring out, it's 2 inches by 1 1/4 inches. And that's where your pipe sits. And then it's actually 77 1/8, not 76. I messed up. 77 1/8, and it'll be 78 1/4. Because the outside diameter of the pipe is 1 1/4, the inside diameter is 1 inch. And when you put the top plates on, it squeezes that and can't slip. Anyways, hope this helps.